So good to be back. Time to attach this bad boy. I'm pretty pleased by this iGadget Get. Turns into a tripod, and it also is like a grip for your camera. And all you do is just attach your camera there. And what's cool right here will show you if your camera angle is balanced or correct. So that's always awesome, because you want to make sure that, I don't know if you can see it, but that little bubble is in that red, centered right there. What's up, guys? So I'm finally back on here. Got a new camera. I'll explain all that stuff to you. However, the unboxing I'm gonna do today is from Dear Ear. These are in-ear wireless headphones. My boy plays ball across overseas in China, and he's one of the representatives, and he did a giveaway on Instagram, and I ended up winning. Not on purpose, but I ended up winning. And I want to tell you guys about these headphones. I had never heard of them, so I had to look it up online. Dear Ear, never heard of the company. Buoyant wireless black headphones, as you can see. And what's included in the package is one in-ear wireless headphones, one Comply earphone set, and 3 ear caps. Hook sets, small, medium, large, and a carry pouch. That's what it looks like. And online it says, with a distinctive and minimalistic design, Buoyant features wireless music streaming and phone calling via Bluetooth. The sturdy aluminum housing along with aptX drivers deliver an astounding listening experience, while the IPX4 sweat-proof featuring 8 hours continuous playback proves perfect for all traveling or sporting activities. Guys, I needed some in-ears. I had some bulky headphones, and at the gym with the way I train, it hasn't been cutting it, because it'll be like moving around and all kinds of crazy stuff. However, I'm gonna try these out, and I'm gonna let you guys know. Comes with the user manual. Okay, let's get into this. So it looks like this is the pouch, the charger, USB. Give you guys a good close look. Love the colors. There goes your headphones. Dear Ear. There we go, we focused in right there. And look at how it's already shaped. Shaped to go right in your ear. This may be a little big for me, but we'll see. So as you can see, let's look. Up here up top, that's your volume up. This is your multifunctional button right there, and the microphone. And then this is volume down right here at the bottom. So I'm gonna have to adjust mine, because these are a little bit big. So I got the smaller version. I'm gonna put these on. All right, I got the left one in. Let's put the right one in real quick. Had to switch out the bottom. There we go. Ooh, that's nice and snug. Oh, that's nice and snug. Love it. fits good. Oh, did you see that? I don't know. Make sure. So I'm getting used to. There we go. Oh, okay. I must have been snagging on something. Okay, how's it look from the side? So I've never used the Apple AirPods. I see everyone rocking them. And they look comfortable, they look light, and they look simple. Looks like people just pop them in and good to go. These I feel like takes a little messing around with, but right now they're in there good. I would rather not have this part, but I'm not gonna complain right now. Now I would love if you guys wanna send me AirPods so I can try them out and do a video. I'll let you guys know what I think. As you guys know, I took it straight out the box, so I may have to charge this up, but let's see. We're supposed to hold this down until it blinks blue and red. And it looks like I need to take it home and charge it. I'm leaving the clubhouse right now. Some of you guys may be wondering what I'm drinking. It's a smoothie my wife made with carrots, ginger, which is my absolute favorite to any drink. I add it to almost every single drink. So carrots, strawberry, ginger, and there's something else. Oh, and an apple. I'm telling you, it's bomb, guys. Well, it has, as you know right now, I'm walking back to my place so then I can charge up the headphones and then let you know what the sound's like. But wow, I just went completely dark. There I am. It's been a lot that's went on. So sorry I haven't been on here. I've missed you guys. We are back. Hey, if you made it to this part of the video, please do your boy a favor. Subscribe really quick. We're revamping the YouTube channel and it's gonna be more unboxings, more workouts, and I'm also gonna tell you guys how I've lost 39 pounds from January 26th to now. Yeah, full information disclosure coming. I'll be showing you guys before and afters. You're gonna have to subscribe to the channel, that's for sure. So stay tuned. We're going. The next goal we have right now is 10K. We're about to go to 10K, build this channel. Once we hit 10K, we'll celebrate, do a giveaway, and then move on to the next goal. That's what we're trying to do out here. And any questions you guys have for me, send it. I want to start also having Q&As to be able to answer any questions you guys might have for me. I'm loving this new vlogging camera that I have. It is the Rebel 2. It's like the perfect DSLR for a beginner because I'm wanting to really get into photography as well, thanks to the iPhone. My iPhone has been amazing. I've started loving taking photos, and then now I want to graduate to trying out a DSLR, and I think it's the best beginner one. Sorry for how long that is. I think it's the best beginner camera you can get with the quality. Granted, it only shoots in 1080p, but how many of you guys actually use 4K on YouTube? And for those who do, they have the capabilities. They can still see it in 1080p, and it's amazing. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. Attach the USB. Now I'm gonna put it in the wall. Pretty simple, standard. All right, there it is, it's charging. All right, let's check and see if it's ready to go. Blue light. Let's do it. All right, let's try to pair it. Put a hold down on this. Pairing mode. I think that's it. Connected. All right, you're gonna get the actual test right on camera. Let me get this bad boy locked in. That was a lot easier second time. All right, let's try to play something. Oh, this fell out. Yo, that part's gonna drive me nuts if it keep falling out. Ooh. Let me turn them up. Oh, this sounds great. So really quick, I am absolutely pleased by the sound. It sounds dope in the ears. However, this being able to fall out easy, I don't know how much I'm gonna really be able to tolerate that. But other than that, I'm pleased with it. I'm pleased with it. So make sure you subscribe, smash the like buttons. Make sure you hit the like button. That's what's gonna help get these videos up, more views, and there's more content coming. It's your boy Dooley. I'm mad.